those of you that missed the live stream, I just got done with the railings, and then I have this primed, ready to go. And those were the places I filled in with wood filler, primed them, and now I just washed the deck so that tomorrow I can paint the deck. But the railings are pretty much done. I might have a few touch-ups here or there, but here's where I fixed yesterday. You saw that video. Okay, here's this side. Here's the area that I fixed yesterday in that video. Going all the way over, so yay. And like I said, it might need touched up here or there, but it's looking good. And deck's washed. I'll show you from down here. See? So it's coming right along. What a beautiful day we had today. I don't know if I'll be able to put that live stream up or not, because I don't know what happened to it. So basically, I saved it as a private video, but for some reason, I have it cached on my laptop, but I can't seem to find it on the computer at all, anywhere. So that might just have to be scrapped, but it was a good video. It really was a good one. It was over an hour long, and it's too bad you guys missed it. The ones that didn't see, the ones that saw, thank you so much for stopping in and saying hello. But yeah, it was fun. We had a good time. We planted some flowers, we planted some, what did we plant? We planted some beets, and yeah, we had a good time. Anyways, thank you for watching, and this is the progression. Yay! Bye-bye. See you on the next one.